back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be all about my house hunting saga and house hunting situation, because I'm trying to move from my current place because it was a studio, but two of my girls were basically in my house most of the time because they got jobs closer to mine. So because of that, we're trying to find a 3-bed. So this is going to be, my hair looks a mess, guys. Who goes house hunting looking glamorous? Not me. So we're trying to look for a 3-bed. Second housemate. We're trying to look for. She's upset because I woke her up to go house hunting, guys. It's 12 p.m. Anyways, so I'm like, okay, let's go and blah blah blah. So we're trying to find a 3-bed. So basically, this is gonna be the journey for the 3-bed. This is where I live at the moment. It's actually a pretty nice place, but it's a studio. So I mean, you've seen it. It's on my channel, but it's a studio, so it's not enough for us. Yeah, and it just didn't make any sense that they were always in my house and making it tight. So we're getting a place. Woo! Oh God, it's gonna be such a journey. Getting a place in LA is never the easiest. Good luck to us. So we're at venue number 1. I can tell you the con that I have already is that I don't like the fact that it's right on the street. Like, it's right on the street. It's apartments though, but it's right on the street, so I don't love that. So we'll see. But we're here, so we're gonna check it out now and see what's up. Obviously I'm gonna show you guys. And for each apartment that I show you guys, I'm gonna tell you how much it is, so you kind of have an idea of what apartment hunting in LA is like. You guys have 3?
Not available right now.
Really?
It might be coming up, but maybe end of the month.
Yeah, end of the month is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
How much is the 3-bed?
I don't know the price yet because we're supposed to renovate that apartment and then it will be available. But not now.
What price
You
roughly?
have to, but it will be before 3,000.
Okay, yeah.
Last I renovated, it was $29.95.
Oh, okay.
It was summertime.
Okay.
And then we need it's previously renovated, but we need anyway.
Yeah.
Touch up, clean up.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the kitchen.
Yeah, it's a kitchen and dining.
Then dining area.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's quite quaint. I mean, it's not big or anything. Dining area, like a mini balcony.
Mm-hmm. And 2 bedrooms.
Okay. Storage over there. Bathroom. And this is the bedroom. The closet. This one. That won't kill me. That's the problem.
The master bedroom.
And I mean, I'm sort of a master, but it's not big.
2 twin sizes. Would you leave that?
No, I can't be sharing room if I'm here. It doesn't make any sense.
Your budget? What's your budget?
And if the tenants decide to move out.
It's okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I don't like about this place. The entrance.
Smells funky.
It doesn't smell nice. It smells like bad food. And the lift is old. It's just an old dingy place, really. LA has so many old dingy places. It's really crazy. And they're also expensive as well. Oh, the office is here. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. Oh, okay.
Have you been?
Good,
How was
thank
it
you.
cold, huh? It's very cold today.
Yeah, it's very cold.
Very strong.
I mean, the living room is not bad, honestly. Has a fireplace. They put new carpets, obviously.
Yeah, I think it's wrong. 1675.
That's how much is it? So this is one room. And one toilet. Yo, this smell is sickening.
The inside smells okay.
No, it doesn't. To be honest, it's as basic as it can, as
like
basic
this
can
one.
be.
That's why
Honestly,
think about it.
it's as basic can be. Like, you know, you guys. So this one is 1675 because it's super basic. Like super basic. But they put new carpet in here, so at least that's a plus. $585 because it's actually $2175 for rent and $2175 for deposit. Then a $45 application fee, and then a $50 remote fee for the parking lot, and then a $45 key deposit. Craziness. So yeah, not worth it. So next house. So another place. Oh, it's ground floor. Hi, how are you?
Ground floor, yes.
What do you think? Oh, it's one bathroom?
How much is it?
2,000.
It's okay. Even the what you call it? Oh, a dishwasher?
That's very true.
Oh. I'm trying to think of if the one in the house now is ours.
No,
It's not?
came with Lugo.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's the back garden?
It just goes up back to the garage and the trash.
Oh, okay. How many is parking? How many
One
parking?
spot, yeah, there's a garage up back.
Okay. That's a challenge. What are you thinking?
Where do you guys live now?
Just just in Burbank, up the road. Not far. I don't. Is it one central heating?
Air conditioning and that great.
Okay.
I think that vents into the other room. Oh yeah, here.
So this one is for where though? So there's no air in the rooms?
There's no air in the rooms. But this guy's size for
Okay, for this one we can put like a little table inside the kitchen. What's the deposit?
1,500.
Okay. And are there any other charges?
Gas and electric would be yours.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
If you have any dogs or cats, there's an extra deposit.
Yeah, we don't have that.
Thank you.
Sure. If you're interested, just email me. I can send you the application.
Yeah, we will.
Or call me.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Okay, so this is another one. This is one room. They're obviously trying to do it up. Oh, sorry. That's okay. Another room. The closet. Another room again.
Not bad.
Yeah. The living room is huge. Then another room over here. This is the master, it's quite big. Some more closet space. So we just saw a place right over there. Haven't shown it yet because I actually forgot, because it was after walking all the way upstairs, I just completely forgot to make a video. The stairs was not really the best. It was really cute, very quaint, very small, and it was 2175. So it was quite small, but it was nice, you know. But it wasn't too bad, so we're probably not gonna go for it. But it's over there, right there. It's LBPM. It's really, really nice actually. So we're gonna think about it and see what happens. Right now we're gonna go view one more. So that'll be 6 houses down and we'll be done. And we'll check some more another day. So I'm tiring. It's really house hunting, you guys. House hunting in LA is super, super tiring. But look at this light though. The sun is hitting me right. Ooh. I have zero makeup on, but I look like I have makeup on. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so this is, the lighting is not great, but this is day 2 or 3 of house hunting. So we're just on our way to a house viewing, another one. Again, Venus driving. I don't know if she waved. This she said we're not paying her gas, we're not paying her rent, we're not paying her nothing. Yeah, we're gonna go view another. Today is just one viewing actually, not 4 like the last time. So yeah, we're actually hoping this is our house. So by the grace of God, here it is. Yeah, we're just hoping this is our house. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Check.
What's your name?
Nikki. Hi.
Hi, Taje.
Mustard. It's coming back up the
What's this? The master? It's like Tanya's house. I'm making a video. That's reminds me of Tanya's house, but it looks like it's newly renovated. Was it just renovated?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Glance your closet.
Living room. I don't even know if a bed can fit in here. It's quite tiny. This is the cupboard. So this is the balcony. I don't know the view from outside. You know. Oh, closet is tiny. And we have extra storage right here. And here as well. Oh, the bathroom. It's pretty small, but considering our budget, I feel like it's probably the best we can do, honestly. It's not so bad.
My wife or me, we always here in the business, so if you have any repairs, we take care of that all in the company. So, it's something, like,
There's really less space in the kitchen, honestly. Storage space. Ooh. No storage space in this. It's not too bad. And this is the way we would have to the door. So the master bedroom is once you get inside, which I don't think is pretty great, but the closet space is really small. You know?